Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my Key-Less-Go tutorial. So if you haven't seen or you haven't done it before, Key-Less-Go is being able to put your hands in the inside of the door handle on your Mercedes vehicle and unlocking the door, and pressing the outside of the handle being able to lock the door. Key-Less-Go is pretty straightforward. Quick tip, if you touch the outside and the inside at the same time, you may not get the results you're looking for. So to lock, just merely touch the outside of the door handle, and to unlock, put your hand in the inside of the door handle. And here's a neat feature that you can do with Key-Less-Go. Placing your finger on the outside of the door handle for a couple of seconds and lightly tugging on the door will instruct the car to roll down all its windows. Now here in a better view, I actually aimed for an indentation. Notice the indentation right there. I'm going to place my finger there for 4 seconds, and then I'm going to lightly tug on the door. This will instruct the car to roll down all of its windows, plus the sunroof. Now, if you just want to roll up the windows, place your finger on the indentation, and that will start to initiate the roll-up sequence. Don't let go, hold it the entire time, and make sure the sunroof closes. If you're a Key-Less-Go user who simply wishes for your driver's side door to unlock when you unlock your doors, we can make that change using the key fob. We're going to be using a lock and unlock together. Now, notice when I push the unlock, you see that little red flash that appears? That's going to be our indicator when we hold the lock and unlock down. So remember, hold the lock and unlock down for a couple of seconds. You're going to see 2 red flashes appear. That'll make the change from global to selective, or vice versa. So when we go for a lock, locks like normal. When we go for the unlock on the driver's side door, just the driver's side door unlocks. Do note, if you touch any other door, it'll open as if it was global. Only driver's side door does selective. And that just about wraps up Key-Less-Go. Thanks for watching. If you're having trouble, just leave me a comment down there below, and I will get to it when I can. I will definitely answer questions. And let me know what video features that you want to see in the future. I'm starting to try to be active on this YouTube stuff again and try to get better and be better for you guys. Thanks for watching.